Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about comparative and superlative adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. First, let's look at comparative adjectives. When you compare two things, use comparative adjectives. To make an adjective comparative, add the suffix er to most one-syllable adjectives. When an adjective ends in y, change the y to I and add er. Add the word more to most adjectives with two or more syllables. Examples: shorter, shinier, more beautiful. Funny becomes funnier. Hot becomes hotter. Thin becomes, you guessed it, boys and girls, thinner. And good becomes better. Amazing becomes more amazing. And bad becomes worse. Now let's take a look at superlative adjectives. When you compare more than two things, use superlative adjectives. To make an adjective superlative, add the suffix est to most two or more syllable adjectives. When an adjective ends in y, change the y to I and add est. Add the word most to most adjectives with two or more syllables. Examples: shortest, shiniest, most beautiful. Funny becomes funniest. Hot becomes hottest. Thin becomes, good job boys and girls, thinnest. And good becomes best. Amazing becomes most amazing. And bad becomes worst. Now, boys and girls, you have an activity. This is the comparative and superlative adjective puzzler. First, you are going to look at the word, and then you are going to change that word to comparative and then to superlative. Now, let's take a look at the first word. The first word is funny. Now, if we want to make funny comparative, we would have to change that y to I and add an er, and it becomes funnier. To make it superlative, we change the y to I and add est, and it becomes funniest. Now, tasty becomes tastier and tastiest. Amazing becomes more amazing and most amazing. Good becomes better and best. Now you give it a try, boys and girls. Let's look at the word pretty. What do you think the comparative word for pretty is? Good job, boys and girls. Prettier. Now let's see if you can guess the superlative form of pretty. Way to go, boys and girls. Prettiest. Now let's look at the word hot. Can you guess the comparative form of hot? Awesome job, boys and girls. Hotter. Now, guess the superlative form of hot. Good job, boys and girls. Hottest. Now, look at the word bad, our last one. The comparative form is worse, and the superlative form is worst. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, boys and girls. Thank you for watching.